Today we will discuss about Newton's first law of motion. Let's start the video. The idea that objects only change their velocity due to force is encapsulated in Newton's first law. Newton says in his first law that an object at rest remain at rest or in motion remain in motion at a constant velocity unless acted on by a net external force. Note the repeated use of the verb remains. We can think of this law as a preserving the status quo of motion. Newton's first law of motion states that there must be a cause, which is a net external force, for there to be any change in velocity, either a change in magnitude or direction. An object sliding across a table or floor show down due to net force of friction acting on the object. Before Galileo and Newton, many people thought objects slow down because they had a natural built-in tendency to do so. But those people were not taking into account the many forces, e.g., friction, gravity, and air resistance here on Earth that cause objects to change their velocity. If we could observe the motion of an object in deep interstellar space, we would be able to observe the natural tendency of an object motion free from any external influences. In deep interstellar space, we would observe that if an object had a velocity, it would continue moving with that velocity until there was some force to cause a change in the motion. Similarly, if an object were at rest in interstellar space, it would remain at rest until there was a force to cause it to change its motion.